Hello guys, today we are going to discuss one of the most important problems asked in Facebook multiple time. So we are going to discuss that and we are going to find more optimized way to solve that. Okay. So problem number 41241, number of comments per post. Okay. So we have two columns. We have a table called submissions and it has two columns, sub ID and parent ID, and there is no primary key, means there can be multiple sub IDs. Same ID, same sub ID can be repeated multiple times, or parent ID can be repeated multiple times. Okay, and each row can be a post or comment on a post. Okay, parent ID is null for post, means consider, take an example, parent ID is null, then this sub ID is our post. So we have one, two, and three distinct sub IDs we have, means we have three posts, okay, in this table, for example. Okay, and then parent ID for comments is sub id for another post in a table. Okay, so if you see, for this parent id, this is comment. Okay, for this parent id, this is comment. Okay, for this parent id, this is comment, like that way. Okay, then let's go to the question. We need to write a query to find number of comments per post. Okay, and result table should contain post id, and it's miss we want post id and number of comments, and must be sorted by post id in ascending order. Okay, fine. And then we have what they are saying, submissions may contain duplicate comments. Okay, so we need to find out unique comments per post, and submission table can contain duplicate posts as well, so we need to treat as a one post. Okay, consider this is an example. So it has 1, 2, and 12 are the posts. Okay, and for one we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 comments are there. Okay, but this comment is repeated twice, so we need to skip that. So if you see here in post, in result table, we want one is a post id, and three is number of comments. Okay, and in case of 2 we have two comments, and in case of 12 we don't have any, so we need to replace this null with 0. Okay, so this is what it is saying, like the post with id 1 has 3 comments in a table, like that way. Okay, so let's start solution of it. So here I have opened one compiler, and I have created one table called submissions. Okay, into it I have created two columns, sub id and parent id, and I tried to replicate the same table over here. Okay, if you see here, okay, if you see here, select star from submissions. Okay, so if you see, I try to replicate the same table. So here we want per post how many unique comments are there. So we need to find out how many unique posts are there. So how can I get that? So for that I will try to use city expression. Okay, first I need to find out unique, sorry, here what I will use, unique posts. So how can I get that? I will try to write city expression. How? With some posts. Okay, as, what's the syntax of it is, like I need to surround it with bracket. So what I want, so what I want is, I want unique posts. Unique posts are 1, 2, and 12. So how can I get that? So what I want, select Okay, what I want is select distinct sub id from submissions, where, see, how can I identify post and comment? For post, parent id will be null, so where parent id is null, then if I put this, and if, okay, I will try to run this now. See, click select star from posts. Okay, if I run this, it will give me with posts as, what is the issue? Okay, select spelling error. Okay, if I run this, select star from posts, I got all the distinct sub IDs, means I got posts. Okay, 3 unique posts are there. Now my second task is to find out, okay, to find out unique comments on that post. So what I can do, is, see, first of all I will put select star from submissions, so I will have some data. Okay, so now what I need, I want to count per post how many comments are there, unique comments. So what can I do now? What I can do, I can select parent id, okay, comma, I can get count of distinct sub IDs. Okay, distinct sub IDs from submissions, where parent id is not null. First condition is this, is where parent id is not null, and group by, I need to group it by parent id. So what will happen here, I will get all the parent IDs like 1, 2 and 7. Okay, I will get 1, 2, 7 and their respected count. Okay, and I will move this I will move this record. Okay, okay, this way I will get parent ID with distinct sub IDs, means distinct comment. Okay, so since I have used city expression, so I will go with that approach only. Okay, so how can I use that city approach then? Comments as, so now I will have two tables. Okay, first one is posts, second one is comments. Okay, so if I run comments, select star from comments, see, you will have, one has 3 unique comments, two has 2 unique comment, and 7 has 1 unique comment. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to join these two tables, and I want per post how many distinct UIDs are there. Okay, so see, so what I want, where are my posts? Posts are under this. Okay, so I will try to get sub ID first, sub ID as post ID. Okay, post ID, comma, secondly what I want here, what I will give some alias. Okay, this I want number of comments. Okay, number of comments from this, from posts p left join. I will tell you why I'm using left join. Left join comments. See why I used left join, because I wanted per post how many comments are there. Consider this 7. 7 is there. 7 is parent. It's post. Okay, but that is not a distinct post that I tried to get it by querying this post. Okay, so that's why I used this posts left join C. Okay, left join comments. Okay, and okay, and I want to do left join based on, okay, P. From P I want sub ID should be equal to, from comments I want parent ID. Okay, so like this way I want. So let's run it first and let's see records. Okay, might be some syntactical error is there. See, okay, so left join on. Okay, left join on. See, this is what we wanted, right? The question was like we need number of post IDs who has number of comments, but here what they want, instead of null, okay, they want 0. So how can I get that? So while getting the num, what I will do, I will use case statement. Case when num is not null, then num, else 0, and I want to end that. Okay, we got it. This is what we wanted, right? And also we wanted it based on, 1 minute, let's see, what was the question. Must be sorted by post ID. Okay, so what I can do, order by post ID, and also I can rename it as number of comments. Okay, acha, I gave some wrong name. Okay, okay, so here I missed or column name, that column name. So if you see here, now we got the desired output. Okay, post ID and number of comments. Okay, and that we wanted it based on post ID. Okay, so we got it. Okay, actually this question was asked multiple times in the interview of Facebook. So yeah, please let me know if you have any other solution to do it. Okay, yeah, I will keep you posted related SQL related contents. Thank you.